Testing 1 2. Hey everyone, my name is Jeff. I'm with the Stream Machines YouTube channel where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. And in this video, we're going to look at the Hyperbox H10 Ultra media device that was sent to me for free that has over 20 applications for entertainment. If this is your first time to the YouTube channel, the Stream Machines, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to share this video with someone you care about, and this keeps our channel going, and give me a thumbs up. So without any further ado, let's jump right on in. Let's answer this first question. Who is the Hyperbox H10 Ultra for? In my opinion, it's for someone, a streamer who wants everything. With over 20 to 30 applications, I mean, there's so much on this device that we're going to find out. And the ease of use makes it easy to set up, maintain, and they really respond back to you as well. So it's for someone who wants everything, has to have everything, the most of everything. That's a small group of people, but they're out there. I think you're going to like what this has. So the first thing we're going to look at is the home page, this launcher page, the memory that's inside of it, and some of the things it does on, that other boxes don't. Now, you don't buy this box, really, main people buy this device for what China puts in it, whether it be this live TV, this VOD, or this replay. So if I click on the live TV, you're going to see it load up to some live TV and giving you a chance to either press the OK button to get a guide, and you can see for yourself that it has plenty of options for TV. So this is just live TV off the top, and that channel is under maintenance, but it's very easy, and I know that it'll work because I can go right back in, and we're going to see if it's going to install here. Just want to make sure, and it did. So again, these are very easy to use. This right here next to it is for your on-demand. It has plenty of options for you to look at, whether that be movies, TV shows, or whatnot. And then on top of that, it has some replay options that they give you. Now from here, those are some basic things that comes on all of these types of boxes. Nothing new under the sun. Again, this specific device is for those that want the most. So if I go to their app store, you're going to see in their app store all kinds of apps with the check marks are across the board. You can see those. But when you go to the Hyper apps, that's where you have 20 of the applications that are not on the other app store as a bonus. And we're going to take a look at these in the second video that I'll put probably on the Rumble channel, because it's more lenient than YouTube. But here's some of the apps that you have access to. You can't tell me you're not going to have enough to watch TV on. That's what I'm saying. This box is for someone that wants the most of everything. All right. So as I go back to the home page, one of the things I want to point out on this device is in the settings. As I go into the device preferences, you will see in the about that it's one of the only devices that I have found that allows you to have developer options. You hit this 7 times, 8 times, it's going to say you're a developer. I'll hit the back button, and now I have access to developer options. Again, it's probably the only one that I've bought over the years that gives you access to developer options. And if you don't know what developer options does for a streamer, I can give you a link to one of my videos that will explain. It makes it go from mediocre to bananas. It's just something to geek out on and learn about streaming. Another thing I want to point out is the storage. As I hit up the storage here, this has 121 gigabytes of ROM out of 128. It has plenty of memory for you to try every single application to find out what you like, what you don't like, where you can uninstall, reinstall, install, whatever you want, whether that be side loading from the Google Play Store, however you want to do it. So I like that fact there. It also gives you access to, let me see here. If I go to device preferences, it has the storage. You have the Chromecast built in, So if you have Chromecast or you're doing something with YouTube or on your phone, you can cast your phone to this device and vice versa. Developer options gives you a lot of good options to make it run smoother. You have Google Assistant, which allows you to connect your Google account, and you could do a lot of things with the voice activation here. So this is the Hyperbox H10 Ultra. Again, it has some of the best options out there. And also the contact me. You have contact on service, customer service online, whether that be WhatsApp customer service or email customer service. That way, when you buy this from our website, I'll put a link in the description of our website or in this video so you can purchase it directly from them. This is a device that is a very small group of people, and so I want to make it easy for you to get it at a great price. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. This is the Hyperbox H10 Ultra. You can see that I even put my own app store on here. I think this is it right here. I have my own ATV store, and it's really good. So you can side load, and all of the applications that I have here, we're going to take a look in the other video. Here are some of my favorites, and we're going to look at this and open it up so you can see kind of what each one does, and then make your decision from there. But these devices have been around for 13 and 14 years, and from what I can see, they're not going to stop. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Hey, let me know in the comments if you've tried it, if you know someone who's tried it. I'm thinking about giving this one away for free. I just want to make a few more videos on it today, and then I'll probably box it up, reset it, and give it away as a giveaway. So stay tuned for that.